working with Heil as they are pioneer in this product since long. It is more than 125 years. It's a legacy of the company, and we feel proud that we are part of the Heil Asia in India. Hi, I'm Girish Patel, Ab N Dhruv Autocraft India Private Limited. I'm a technical director, and we are working since 2007 in India as a tanker manufacturer, tipper and tip trailer manufacturer. Yeah, we are in this product since long. Only we are just changing the material. Even we are also familiar with the aluminium. Yeah, we have around 5,500 square meter area. We have all the facilities like plasma, CNC machine, all in-house we manufacture. Experienced staff, experienced engineers, and as long as since 2007 we are in this industry, we have a good experience with the transportation, with the transporter, with the Indian road condition and basic requirement of the Indian customers, and we will be the bridge in between the Indian requirement with the Heil product. Heil Asia is one of the pioneer company in manufacturing of aluminum petroleum tankers worldwide. We feel proudly that we are a channel partner with Heil Asia. Is working in all over the world, so they can understand the Indian market, Indian road, Indian customer and Indian culture also. So long-term plan is we are planning to and try to convert maximum tankers on the road, which is running by mild steel. We are planning to convert these road tankers by mild steel into the aluminum, which is one of the lightest material, very safe, non-corrosive and very long durability.